News channel. Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Northern Uganda Investment and Opportunity Overview. Northern Uganda is an emerging frontier of economic potential combining fertile land, abundant natural resources, rich cultural heritage, and strategic regional connectivity, with over 40 districts and a population of over 5 million, according to the 2024 UBOS National Population and Housing Census. The region offers a significant labor force, consumer market, and investment base. Historically undercapitalized, Northern Uganda now presents opportunities across agriculture, value addition, trade, tourism, energy, and infrastructure sectors capable of delivering high returns while benefiting local communities. Agriculture and agro-industrial potential. Agriculture remains the backbone of Northern Uganda's economy, yet much of the arable land is underutilized and most produce is sold raw. Key crops include oilseeds, sunflower, sesame, cereals, rice, maize, sorghum, cassava, fruits, livestock, and fisheries. Investment opportunities exist in commercial farming, irrigation, agro-processing, cold storage, and packaging, transforming subsistence production into export-oriented value chains that generate jobs, increase incomes, and enhance food security. Trade, logistics, and market connectivity. Northern Uganda's geographic location positions it as a gateway to South Sudan and Eastern DRC, creating natural demand for formal logistics, warehousing, and transport services. Structured investment in distribution hubs, cold chain logistics, and cross-border trade facilities can convert informal commerce into high-value, sustainable trade. Urbanization and population growth further expand demand for retail, construction, and services linked to regional market corridors. Tourism, natural assets, and cultural heritage. The region hosts world-class yet underdeveloped tourism assets, including Mashishon Falls National Park, the River Nile, Lake Yoga, and Lake Kwania, offering ecotourism, wildlife, and water-based experiences. Cultural and heritage tourism is supported by war memorial sites, Fort Patiko in Gulu, Aru Falls in Pade District, the Kabaka, Mwanga, and Kabalega heritage sites in Doholo, and the Center of Uganda site in Amolata District. Investment opportunities include ecologies, resorts, cultural centers, guided tourism, and community-based tourism enterprises. Energy, water, and enabling infrastructure. Sustainable growth relies on reliable energy and water system. Northern Uganda is suited for solar power, mini-grids, and hybrid energy solutions, as well as irrigation infrastructure to support agro-processing and resilient farming. Opportunities also exist in responsible extraction and processing of construction materials to support housing, roads, and industrial expansion. Investment pathways. Foreign investors are best positioned to develop agro-industrial parks, commercial farming with processing hubs, renewable energy projects, tourism infrastructure, and logistics corridors. Local investors and small and medium enterprises can thrive in agro-processing, trade, retail, hospitality, transport, and digital platforms connecting producers to markets. Partnerships between foreign and local investors offer the strongest path to inclusive, sustainable growth. Conclusion. Northern Uganda offers a unique combination of fertile land, natural and cultural assets, strategic location, and growing markets. The region's potential lies in value addition, structured trade, sustainable tourism, and infrastructure-led development. Targeted investment can transform Northern Uganda into a productive, competitive, and inclusive economic hub, creating meaningful returns for investment while uplifting local communities. I'm Denish Ongora. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.